In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the can't create Apple ID at this time error that you might get while trying to create an Apple ID. Before we do get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong. If you are using cellular data, make sure you do have enough credits, and also double check all entries, being your mobile number, your billing address, and other fields. Incorrect info can trigger errors. From here, what I recommend doing is actually opening up a Safari tab if you are still having issues, and essentially just go ahead and search for Apple system status and check to see if it says Apple ID is currently unavailable or temporary unavailable. If it does say that, go ahead and wait and try again later. If the error does happen on your iPhone or iPad, try using a computer via appleid.apple.com. Conversely, if the web method fails, try creating the Apple ID through your device's settings. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.